Hello, how you doing? We're going to do some ginger cabbage today. It's healthy, it's vegetarian, it's vegan, it's delicious, it's really simple. Now you can have this as a side dish, even if you're having a roast dinner or something, do this to your cabbage instead of boiled, boring cabbage. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got 2 cups tomato, 2 cups carrots, 1 cup onion, over a tablespoon, like a kind of chunky piece like that, of ginger, a teaspoon of turmeric, and here I've got my white cabbage, so that's 2 cups. So what's that? Maybe 6 cups of cabbage. Let's get moving. A few other bits going to go in, but let's get started with this. So this really is quite simple. You're going to need a kind of wok-y type pan or a large skillet. In there I've got some oil. I'm using corn oil, about 3 tablespoons. You can change that if you want. We're going to get that ginger in. And you can see that I've cut that into nice sticks like that. Chop it smaller if you want. 1 cup of onion and 2 cups of carrots. You can see the carrots are fairly thin just there. We're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes on a medium heat, stirring often. Beautiful stuff. If you wanted, you could get some garlic in here as well. I'm just going to go with ginger. Fresh tomato, 2 cups. The teaspoon of turmeric. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. About another 4 or so minutes, again stirring fairly often. Those tomatoes are just starting to break down a little bit. Now we introduce our cabbage, and once again we're going to go for 4 to 5 minutes, and once again stirring fairly often. We have pretty much done this. Delicious. Beautiful stuff. Now off goes the heat. Now for me, I like a nice crunch on my cabbage, is what I have there. You can cook this a little bit more if you want. You could also add a little bit, maybe like half a cup of water in there to help it on its way, to kind of steam it out. That's all good for me. One more thing. Some cilantro or coriander in the mix. Let me get that on a plate. Job done. If you want to make it a little bit more spicy, you could chop some fresh chili into that, or a little zing, give it a squeeze of lemon. I'm happy just there. Beautiful, simple, vegetarian, healthy, vegan. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.